Hey there, what's going on, guys? This is Nick Hernandez with Mr. Mold. And so today what we're planning on doing is we're going to show you a job site that we're working in right now. And I know that we're used to showing you guys a lot of mold stuff, but what we chose to do today is do something a little bit different. So today I'm going to be showing you a job site that is a water mitigation. Now, water mitigations are extremely important. When your house suffers any type of water inundation, whether it be a roof leak, whether it be a bursted pipe in your house, you have time to make sure that mold doesn't have the ability to grow. And the way to do that is to make sure that you dry your house out properly. So what we're doing here now is we're helping these people out that they suffered a pretty bad leak from one of their tubes in the back of their bathroom, and it kind of flooded the entire house. So what we've done is we put all our machines in here, and we're going to show you exactly how we have mitigated the damages here. So come on, let's go inside. So what happened was with this family is that they went on vacation, and when they went on vacation, they left their house, and a pipe in the back of their guest bathroom, it burst. And when it burst, it started leaking everywhere. It started flooding the bathroom. It flooded all the hallways. It went into the front of the house. It went towards the back, towards the kitchen. I mean, it was horrific. They said that when they got home, they were stepping in puddles of water. So we want to make sure that we are doing the correct, taking the correct measures to make sure that we're drying it out properly. So come on. All right, so as you see as we walk in here, we have a scrubber going on to make sure that any spores that might exist, any type of contamination in the air, is being taken care of by the air scrubber. Make sure that we're filtering it out so that the air is always pure inside the house. What we got here is we have a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier is making sure that it's taking out all the water that is present inside of this house, because when we got here, what was really terrible was the humidity. The humidity was awful. So as you can see here in our bucket here, we have about half of it filled with water. This is already the third bucket that we have taken care of and had to throw out because of how much water was already in here. So that just lets you know the amount of water that was in this air. So if we keep going, we have blowers, of course. Our fans are drying out the walls because there was water everywhere, there were stains everywhere. So that's what these fans are making sure they're doing. They're drying out the walls and making sure that the baseboards are nice and dry. If we keep going from here, there we go, we have another dehumidifier. You can see inside of this trash can, again, another trash can filled about halfway with water. This is the fourth trash can we've had to throw away because of how much water has been in it. So if we go on over here, you're gonna start seeing this is where the source of the problem, the issue took place, okay? So if we go here, again, we have another dehumidifier. This one we were able to put a tube and put it into the guest bathroom, into the bathtub to make sure to get rid of all the water. So if you come here, so what happened is that the tubing behind this toilet right here burst. And when it burst, it caused water to come all the way through here, all the way through the bathroom, came out into the hallway, master bathroom, traveled through all these guest rooms where we have blowers, we have dehumidifiers set up everywhere. This is the master bedroom. And in the master bedroom, again, we have another dehumidifier. And if you come in, you're gonna see that here, the water, when it released from the guest bathroom, it went all into this master bathroom, and it came in and it started penetrating into the master bathroom as well. So what we have done is we've invested in this new machine, and what it does is it puts, if you can see, the fans are blowing, and it also has tubing going into the direct locations where the water was seen to make sure that we are definitely penetrating those areas and make sure that we're blowing and making sure that we're drying out underneath the cabinets. So instead of just putting a blower up against the cabinet, we're getting inside. So that all the way underneath, we're making sure that no water is still persistent there. So if you keep coming here, inside the master bathroom shower, the tubing continues into the master bathroom, into the walls. Because what happened was behind the shower and behind the toilet in the guest bathroom is this wall is all connected. So when it broke, water came into this area as well. And when it came into this wall cavity, it started to obviously, keep going. So we want to make sure that the blowers are in there, they're penetrating into that wall and drying those areas out. This water inundation was so bad that it even managed to get into the family room and into the kitchen. So here we have another dehumidifier set up, doing the exact same thing as all the others, making sure that we're getting all the water out of the air, getting, reducing that humidity, which is at 70% in this house. And if you can see here, again, we have the tubes connected to the blower, and we're getting inside underneath all of these kitchen cabinets. So as you can see, guys, we're doing our job to the best of our abilities. We have fans again set up throughout the entire house, throughout, behind any piece of furniture that we can possibly move to ensure that the walls are being dried out properly. Guys, the worst thing that can happen is that you leave this water, let it sit, and then what happens? Mold starts to grow. So guys, this is how we do our jobs here at Mr. Mold. We do everything to the best of our ability to set up as much equipment as possible to make sure that we are covering every square inch of the property. To make sure that we're leaving your house perfect, we're drying it out properly, doing the best job that we can to make sure that mold does not persist in your home. So guys, remember, if you want to win the indoor air quality fight, Mr. Mold will purify your air at the speed of light.